Unit 8, Lesson 1. Got data? Number 1. Tyler asked 10 students at his school how much time in minutes it takes them to get from home to school. Determine if each of these dot plots could represent the data Tyler collected. Explain your reasoning for each dot plot. Dot plot number 1 has 10 pieces of data, and they're all positive, and they range from 4 minutes to 20 minutes. So that's reasonable. Yes, dot plot number 1 could represent the data Tyler collected. Dot plot number 2 has 10 pieces of data, and the data is all positive. However, the time it takes the students to get to school would be way too long. The shortest amount of time it would take a student to get to school in dot plot number 2 is 80 minutes, and the longest it would take somebody to get to school would be 300 minutes. So no, dot plot number 2 would not represent the data Tyler collected. Some of the data in dot plot number 3 is negative, so that would also be a no. It wouldn't represent the data Tyler collected. And dot plot number 4 only has 6 data points. No, that wouldn't represent the data Tyler collected. Number 2. Here is a list of questions. For each question, decide if the responses will produce numerical data or categorical data, and give 2 possible responses. A. What is your favorite breakfast food? That would be categorical data, and 2 possible responses would be fruit and oatmeal. B. How did you get to school this morning? That would also be categorical data, and 2 possible responses would be bike and walk. C. How many different teachers do you have? This would be numerical data, and 2 possible responses would be 2 teachers and 6 teachers. D. What was the last thing you ate or drank? This would be categorical data, and 2 possible responses could be water and juice. E. How many minutes did it take you to get ready this morning, from waking up to leaving for school? These responses will produce numerical data. Possible responses could be 24 minutes and 18 minutes. Number 3. A. Write 2 questions that you could ask the students in your class that would result in categorical data. The 2 questions that I chose are, what's your favorite song, and who is your best friend? For each question, explain how you know that responses to it would produce categorical data. The answers are not numbers. Both answers are categories. B. Write 2 questions that you could ask the students in your class that would result in numerical data. For each question, explain how you know that responses to it would produce numerical data. How many minutes does it usually take you to complete your homework? And how much money are you saving by not needing to pay for a private tutor to get your math lessons completed? I know that these responses will produce numerical data because the answers to these questions will be in time and money. Number 4. Triangle DEF has vertices D equals -4 and -4, E equals -2 and -4, and F equals -3 and -1. A. Plot the triangle in the coordinate plane and label the vertices. To plot D, move to the left 4 units and move down 4 units. To plot E, move to the left 2 units and move down 4 units. And to plot F, move to the left 3 units and move down 1 unit. B. Name the coordinate of 3 points that are inside the triangle. One point that would be inside the triangle would be located at -3 and -2. Another point that would be located inside the triangle is -3 and -3. And a third point that would be located inside the triangle is located at -3 and -3.5. Here's a look at the triangle that we plotted and a look at the 3 locations that were plotted inside the triangle. C. What is the area of the triangle? Show your reasoning. I highlighted in orange an area of the rectangle. The dimensions are 3 by 2, 3 units vertically and 2 units horizontally. I know that the area of a triangle is exactly half of the area of the rectangle with the same dimensions, 3 by 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So I know that the area of a triangle would be half of 6. The area of this triangle is 3 units squared, or 3 square units. Congratulations, you have completed Unit 8, Lesson 1. Got data?